Something unusual is happening in the tea fields of Uji, Japan. The farmers are covering their crops, not from frost, not from pest, not from rain.
85 to 90% of sunlight blocked for 20 to 30 days, deliberately. What happens to a tea plant?
The difference between a shaded tea leaf and an unshaded tea leaf is visible to the naked eye. The shaded leaf is darker, almost unnatural. When a tea plant is suddenly deprived of 90% of its light, it responds with biological urgency. Its cells begin manufacturing chlorophyll at an accelerated rate. This color, this particular shade of green, so intense it looks artificial, is the direct result of those 20 days of deliberate darkness. When the shade comes off new, the color underneath stops visitors in their tracks. Tea leaves that spent 20 days in near total darkness are a green so intense. Matcha, green tea, black tea, oolong, white tea. 5 completely different products, 5 completely different flavors, colors, and effects on the human body. Camellia sinensis originated in the mountain forests of Yunnan and Sichuan, China, where wild tea trees still grow over 30 meters tall. China gave Japan the tea plant, but what Japan did with it was entirely its own invention. While China continued developing
Camellia sinensis flowers are rarely seen on commercial matcha farms. Farmers remove flower buds as they form.
Not all Camellia sinensis plants make good matcha. Specific Japanese cultivars, Okumidori, Samadori, Japan's matcha production is concentrated in 3 main regions. Uji in Kyoto, the oldest and most prestigious. Nishio in Aichi, the largest by volume.
The granite-derived sandy loam soil of Uji's hillside tea gardens is central to the quality of Uji matcha.
The Uji River Valley creates regular morning fog throughout the spring growing season. This natural fog serves the same function as the farmer's shade net.
Camellia sinensis bushes used for matcha production are pruned to a precise rounded dome shape each year after harvest.
Nishio in Aichi Prefecture produces over 50% of Japan's total matcha output. The flat Spring rainfall between February and April directly determines matcha quality. Sufficient moisture allows the Camellia sinensis Premium Japanese matcha is traceable to a specific garden, a specific cultivar, a specific harvest date, and a specific shade duration. Mid-April, the first flush shoots of Camellia sinensis in the Uji gardens are 5 to 8 centimeters long. The farmer has been watching them every day. The tana, the overhead shading structure used for premium Uji matcha, is a wooden framework of poles and crossbeams. The target light level beneath a properly installed Tana structure is between 1500 and 3000 lux.
Under normal full sunlight conditions, Camellia sinensis leaves convert a significant portion of their L-theanine amino acid into catechin polyphenols.
Under 90% shade, the light-dependent conversion of L-theanine into bitter catechins slows dramatically. After 20 days under the Tana shade in Uji, a Camellia sinensis leaf destined for matcha has accumulated chlorophyll concentrations 3 to 5 times higher. Some of Japan's highest-grade matcha uses a different shading method called jikagise, or direct covering. The tradition of covering tea plants with rice straw began in Uji during the Muromachi period, over 600 years ago. L-theanine, the amino acid that accumulates in shaded matcha leaves, is structurally similar to glutamic acid, the compound responsible for umami flavor.
Premium Uji matcha producers now monitor L-theanine accumulation during the shading period through regular leaf tissue analysis, tracking the amino acid concentration in the
Day 20 of shading. The Camellia sinensis leaves beneath the Tana covering are at peak L-theanine concentration, peak chlorophyll density, peak softness. The shade comes off and the harvest begins immediately. Every hour of sunlight that reaches the newly revealed Camellia matcha grade tea uses only the youngest, topmost 2 to 3 leaves of each Camellia sinensis shoot, called the ichibancha or first flush. Japan's matcha production exists in 2 parallel worlds. In Uji, the highest grade ceremonial matcha freshly picked matcha-grade Camellia sinensis leaves must be steamed within 30 minutes of harvest. Without immediate steaming, the leaves begin oxidizing. The steaming step, called mushi, applies high-temperature steam to the freshly picked leaves for 15 to 30 seconds. This heat After steaming, the leaves are dried in multiple stages. First, a blast of hot air to remove surface moisture, then a longer period of gentle heat drying. After drying, the tea leaves pass through a sorting process that removes 2 specific parts of the leaf: the petiole, the leaf stem, and the main midrib vein. Tencha is the form in which shaded Camellia sinensis tea leaves exist immediately before grinding into matcha. It looks like fragments of Premium tencha is stored refrigerated at 5 degrees Celsius in nitrogen-flushed, sealed containers before grinding. The granite stone mill, called usu, is the defining instrument of premium matcha production. 2 circular granites. Tencha is fed through the center hole of the upper granite stone in tiny amounts, approximately 10 grams every hour. The irregular surface of the granite crushes and shears the tencha. The groove pattern carved into the face of each granite usu stone is not random. The spiral furrow pattern, called the hai, Ceremonial-grade matcha ground by Granite Usu Mill has a particle size of 5 to 10 microns, smaller than a red blood cell. Matcha quality is immediately visible in the powder's color. Ceremonial grade from Uji, bright emerald green, almost luminous. Culinary grade, darker olive green, slightly duller.
In the Japanese tea ceremony, chado, the way of tea, matcha preparation is not cooking. It is
Water temperature is the final critical variable in matcha preparation. Water above 85 degrees Celsius degrades the L-theanine that 20 days of shade built in the leaf. The first sip of properly prepared ceremonial-grade Uji matcha is unlike any other experience in the world of food. From a tea plant deliberately denied light for 20 days in a Uji hillside garden, to a bowl of vivid green that carries the
Matcha left the Japanese tea ceremony and entered the global food system with extraordinary speed. Between 2015 and 2024,
The health claims behind matcha's global popularity have substantial scientific backing. Premium shaded matcha can...
My grandfather shaded these same gardens. My father shaded them. I shade them. My son will shade them. The method does not change because it is already perfect.
The global matcha boom has created a supply challenge that Japan alone cannot meet. Chinese-produced matcha powder, shivers. The color difference between authentic shaded Japanese matcha and unshaded powdered green tea is the most reliable consumer quality indicator available.
Japan's tea ceremony schools, Ura Senke, Omote Senke, and Mushakoji Senke, all based in Kyoto.
After the first flush harvest, the Uji matcha gardens are allowed to rest and recover until autumn. A second and third The highest grade Uji ceremonial matcha, Okoicha grade, used for the thick tea of formal tea ceremonies,
In the farmhouses of Uji, matcha is not ceremony. It is breakfast. The same powder that costs
20 days of deliberate darkness, for a color that has no equal in the natural world of food, for a flavor that science took 800 years to explain.